And to the beef between Kwaku Manu Kumawood and some of the Kumawood stars, no. And Kasa be played at the corners level, no. Chilemuza now, no. He is bigger than anybody that you can mention in the Kumawood movie industry. He is bigger than anybody. I didn't know that seminar. Maybe you want to watch it. I said not to do it. Eddie Amame. Comment section. I PENYAH broke me. That's why I said you. Obela if you order my product button, somebody could keep notification conflict update. Somebody to the wide and Amame. Comment section. Obaswa. Not your first PENYAH biashe. Oh yeah, Nancy on the TikTok app. In fact, Omar Draghi Korean Lilwin pay. As I said with a mattress issue. Cow foam. As in cancer, he became a whistleblower against the Chinese no more tongue. Rubber mattress Ghana had them and cancer became a whistleblower na obla said obi an twan for no say nyam rubber na woda e ma no na ba ye no Kwaku men ba ke kana tell Lilwin say Lilwin egu obi adwuma ana de a wo ye na nye Kwaku be kire na adwene adade ana mu ana eno te koda ye ana Dr. Likey ne concert na ko no O2 Arena Indigo London no eno ebeti media no e boss wo na no that program na course no on say na I'm over just think I was saying Kojenga Sanlin 8 ko bie I could support Aka because for sure Aka aya dey to about homo dey work program with O2 Arena Indigo there enye better because I have capacity of 2,700 paying around 14,500 pounds to about 27,000 pounds today enye sika kuma let's say Aka etimi I try aya dey ya let's say odi say ye born abaso or sefata say about Aka abaso nti Aka aya dey tina ma for just saying no I was saying I limit it me eco program na say no go through support at the man but Kojen cancel when ya kai kra no any Dr. Likey no o munta mun shela because obeke 2020 ni mo video ba bontina na as a Lilwin eco PA squad bi say no all church wo mu all church na e ya bedru Dr. Likey no Dr. Likey had yi phone the tana so yi na ni say de wanya call but no nya call bia
but mo hwe video ni yo kojo chiachia ko kojo chiachia ko yan show mun hwe yo Ochiabo na ohye yellow we next one no ha like net mo hwa de mo show like your phone kujancha no wotwam mo ahwe ni ye mo de me say me ma mo playback mo say like ya che kwa me ahemfie wancha kojo mo show on the like any age wo ho no me ba asa de ma hu ni ye ba cho me de bo playback mo
no say no nya call be ni say o muntam enwo enya ne ache ana da ho but akwa say en cancer mechanism bi media no say man for be blasting cancer and cancer ni before and Dr. Likey e shine abano en cancer etinansia program course no Lilwin etre na adwene e wo ho ka say program kan enye akasika sabi enye Dr. Likey sika over cancer bi ama media man for be gina no so na omo gina no so to the point say Kwaku ka say we gba ibonsam just a call movie ni mu no sabi ye pe ibonsam a you know obi ani Lilwin di na bebo ala say
tiehwe sini twem sini adwuma ye wo msisi an ebia ye wo busue bi wo ma wunya wuram sisi an ye busa wo se hwan ne bonsam wo efie ha ana bayinfo pa na se nipa wo mpa nipa nkoso wo efie ha ebusua bia betime yi nipa baako ana nipa mienu ekuro ne aye wo mu no ekuro ne aye firi mu no ye betime aponte nipa mienu miensa se papa we ye asema wo ko busani ne papa bi wo ye kuro me ha wo di aburo papa no wo ye bayinfo papa na wo ye ahoye papa enti kuro yi se papa ne wo anwu kuro anka kuro ye nkoso wo hu se abayo awo fefe be ma wo fefe be ma wo nya sika pene ye bere wase ye wo fie bi mu sa na te efie bi mu wo ya abayo na wo ya be ma na wo pegya pe ne fie tumi na ya ahoye na e ka wo ye den ehye awade pa unkobi akontu unkobi wo kobi kuro nso awo kobre enti saa na wo mu osini adwumam ene wo kase ye mponte nipa baako nipa mienu wo industry no se omo na ye bayi bonsamfo a ye betime obi akura wo abonte kura betime atwusu se nipa asomasi ahoya we nani brade se nipa no wo industry no so kofi ompe nipa bia nkoso se de me kirekire mu no he opa akoya ade efe abato social media so obi e ka se efe se nipa no ko ababa be ka se enyefe eno na medical ka ho asem no se nipa no ye be ibonsam san konfo no ko mu fia on betimi akremu e ka wo monko no monko na yadefo because se movie industry no kwa no ko akansie se on pese obi abesan no ho on pese obi abedi nanim kan ana se obi ama ne fie nso e se nipa ne be yesikani wo ne fie a trust me tin say will be fufu betima bedi ye ofie ho e bia ne nipa kon say bi osan nim nante so osan nim nante ye dia obeka fie ni nyina ahye ba san kofo no na so ye maame a tie mi saa nipa na oye maame a otumi kan kofo ma ho asem ba na wagya ne de ho onka ne de ho asem because ne de ne say ya ope utie mi ye wo maame fo bebre wo mo kan kofo ma ho asem
Emma me go pay a live session bi so. Na live stream no. Na Ayawayo Simon Frank na Romo and some of the stars live the good so I say. O mu kra de Opoku Bilson e compare Kodjon cancer.
Why interview a wo de ama directors no nti say tie dia me ba be so. Ela meka yen say ye pe comedians ne ayi a ye Opoku Bilson nya ho na bia ye be sa afre Kodjo because ni say ne act no
punchline.
Your punchline be a men's door.
na wo see this so.
Punchline.
When you like being say, we be make bia obagina kuma
in size in Lilwin. Stop it.
Oh, say you size. Say a banter no me no nya Frank. There Frank. There Frank. Frank titi.
Frank woman got some chair. We are actor. So word we. Also Jaikan. Say obi a good subi.
No.
Jaikan. See me on person
you want also want him I say also why quick to judge.
See me ambassador say Frank
papa channel sana me tire mu ho eno nche so babiga ko esate so osre na mbe so onjai eno nche so oye good me see man nsre so oye good de papa but dey bia papa robi a Opoku bi si betwa no nti no de ne to or kasa but ne say in run oye good
I na musa mi amu
papa e dey nti no oye
e also busa mi amu sa asem na me kan no dey bi en kan sema no busa me say asem na me kan na me pa che say si a me kan no kra kire o say wo twa de na da ko to YouTube ye wo obi on ma o me ye star o ba ni YouTube ye hwe chen de o ye star
abida kwasi what nchiremu na odi ama no
me ba mani kasa wie tie enti esun stage bia ni nipa obehia no esun stage bia ni nipa obehia no yobu on
Omo de Kodjon Opoku Bilson e compare Kodjon cancer Lilwin. And on not that alone, DJ Slim got on YouTube channel so I could get can adwin e kire Kodjon cancer Lilwin. Na no ana cancer channel no hu ni nyina no so okay me reply me mamu nyina perfect response ti way any semua Kodjon cancer Lilwin wabeka e da che Kumawood stars na he Kwaku Manu bigger quiz omo waka bia wa yo si no waka bia obi a waka no ase no bibia de and cancer reply omo nyina
Adent na wo de hwa e compare to. We say twena no den. E twena so e bai. Esiwa na esu kwi. Me hu ayi o. Mama nchem ti me. Me chita fu belu se me. Ye FM tumi antu. O kan de mi fiu. We can won't can be a so in Kodjon mafum da. Every serious da o. Ebi ni wiase da. Ebi so nsi da. Gana ni bi Nyankopon aboa. Gana ni bi a oba nipa wo aba wiase. A we nipa moja wo hu. Unu nsuo eda. Entimi nso ne nka sem biala ema midi mafum da. Kanu bu Nyankopon da me. Ebi nsi da ni bi so nsi da. Because I believe adum Nyankopon no. And me didn't cry and two fact na make me I'm not envy nobody. Oh say we be na mention na ni bi obi na mention no. Oh we be say also say na ni bi obi ofo. Anya possible. Mon fa nsu anyansa. Mon wo bi a wote so. Na ni bi obi ofo. That be me na kana kwa wana e wo so me kwehwe na se me ni bere no. That me mom na mo so. Maybe her from that be. Oh, the one celebrity, the work money dear, or Cassan could be of any send papi na Cassa. And a man for Anna's castle. Sam Mopokas, and so. Send it on who in ya. But you know, say, Kodjon Cassa, Ed Jumaba. Kodjon Cassa, Emma, me down yes. To me, I want to shake the media also. Because it been much me. It didn't try. Say my dear me. Dear my organ. If you will never appreciate me, I may appreciate myself. Oh, till I make the boy me mammy bomber bang. Because me first can say about mammy. I'll never force you to promote me, and I be candy papa my. Till I was imagining you, but me will be until you. I was my mammy, I'm a come. The biggest awards, Swatigu, London, South Africa, Germany, UK, Canada, America, the whole awards are my dinner. Me come, me pursue yasa. Me first can want some. Tell Papa J about office, baby go. Won't mean kind. It's our look on you. My Jerry over the Canaman Corano. To me, I would because I'm a bar. Eba me ba ma sia I feteke. Ni ba ma na yedeke. I would know. What the man yuki one family yuki because that be because magic be a menesi. Magic crew a reas magic be a order medicine. Through a country called Ghana. Kati ben Trorinchi, it's a magia will be organ be a US Minesia, Magia America, Magic Canada, Magic UK, Magic Nigeria, Magic Burkina, Magic Brazil, Magic oh a torso. Magic be a BSc. To happen when I was never compare me say, Waja what a sing will be. Who is that? T forgets. Hey, Mopa Media, Moon or sir. Muna magangeno gangi ya free chale tak mami chale ma attack from 1 man 1000 tini de ko so ya mo masori da masora meji propaganda we movie lesson as a politics no e mahara gangi ngrofu wo nchen e ba na mafafe chale mo nso si no so na entrende me ye programa me mpa bagasa mo nkan wasemo and watch dada and she make a sachi and I mean take it mean take free ticket man for na anybody me say show ma ma tell ma high by man say tabi e de da ko be pi dipa na ono be sa de no da ko pe ofiri won chi abeka da ko pe ofiri won chi abeka won ya isu abeka te menye sa de no on santime no me 1,000 mo pa mo na magenge a mo kasa no mo na mo senhia meeting na mo nya adwen ba ko mo fa sim bra me be 1,000 because mo page kwampo ntimi nso nche me page you guys mo kabo ma mo ya frɛ from say mo sorry tell akwana beka da mo attack no back to back mi mo di kwa manya mi mo di kwa manya fans ofui hash show na nya de munya mun kamum mon fa mu page me page su chemo TikTok chere me actor was saying actor say yeah actors no say ni page su chemo no oh ni page su chemo no munyini mpie eteme munya mu hia me kasa to no me ja because me more 4.2 million from TikTok temu bloggers no mo gina mo genge mo e mesere ni fi mo Instagram upostu ade enko postu oboko Instagram de enyin kwasafo bia ho YouTube de ajibi bia TikTok jibi bia Instagram was same it was all followers e what TikTok 5 million 10 million no mo ko check Instagram so odu 1 million kwampa on kwasa fodo what me ama edin on say Instagram for no o me decent o mu buo mo ho mo mpem kwasasem eti no do so what TikTok we guy sa bloggers ni binum a we guy TikTok say mo numbers no mo check ni pa ni Instagram e go onu 20k onu 100k mo check it ye ko Instagram kwa na ye krosun na e last one come number 50 million ke bi si Ghana da ye krosun app as Instagram 3.6 million enu kwa bono bi jat for that old one a year from the son and be for Facebook 3.6 million, TikTok 4.2 million, YouTube 500 and something subscribers. And tomorrow, more to Amakasan. The mutini di say what the movie is about to soon. I say, me mono. Fine, Madam Asi. Someone may start. As ya o mama kwasa to me, o man nyina said to me. O ma hu me de America, o ma hu de America, o na hu de America. Dipo twem, o kwa hu kwasa o hu na ma so. Enti the motu soon na aba say when I was no. Mon fana meto mummi the profile to. Never nipo twem mon fana compare say pa.
Chire wa adwen fuma me e wo comment section. Aha ipenya break media. Akra.